Alright you guys, I made it inside Costco. So you know what? I've never seen the garlic bread ever in Costco. But $8, you will get two in here. Roasted garlic butter with Parmesan cheese. That sounds amazing. And if you just want two plain ones, which you know Panera, they just cut them in half for you. They're $5. Lemon raspberry muffin cream cake. That looks pretty good too. This is $7. We also have the coffee cake muffin cream cake. Caramel apple strudel is $7.99. Peaches and cream pastry. Oh, I never seen that. This looks like jelly though. $11.99. And over here, blueberry cheesecake caramelized croissant. Who's tried this one? Let me know about it. That's $12.99. We got your green cupcakes. They have vanilla for $9 and chocolate separated. Organic ground turkey. Okay, you get two, 93% lean, 7% fat. This is going to be $20. And if you want the fresh ground turkey by Butterball, it's $25.99. It's a 4-pack. And then $24.69 on the Kirkland organic beef. Of course, you get 3. I feel like this used to be cheaper though. The ground beef over here is $5.79. So we're looking at like $38. These did go up because I used to pay about like $24 to $30. The lamb roast rack, okay, $15.99. Imported Australian. So this is $30.54. This is over 1.5 pounds. 1.5 pounds. I had to look real quick. Here's $33. This is over 2 pounds. And then $8.49 on the lamb loin chop. So $25.39. This is 3 pound. $6.49 on the leg roast, the lamb one. So $32. This is my husband's favorite. $32. This is a 5-pounder right here. $23.99, a 4-pound bag. Head-on shrimp. This is $23. And wild calamari, and this is $20. Tubes and tentacles. Okay, let me pick this one up. So this is $20. So if you want a pork shoulder butt, $2.29 a pound. This is under 17.5, so $39.64. So $2.29 a pound on the shoulder butt. St. Louis pork spare ribs. They're $3.69 a pound. This is $42.21. This is under 11.5. And $7.99. So I do feel like the ribs did go up in price. I think like $10 more on the ribs. This is handmade. Proudly produced in the USA. Oh, they have the variety pack here? I didn't know, you know, because I bought like one like for like close to $5. I use this one for my pasta. Has anybody tried this one right here? But I like the garlic one. $10. Creamy cornbread. $12.99 with cream corn and cornbread stuffing. Oh, there's corn in here. Are you guys a fan of like creamy corn? $12.99. Lamb shanks. They're $8.69 a pound. So $25 on top. That is 2.5 pounds. And creamy dill pickle. Has anybody tried this one? Oh, it has feta cheese. I'm not really a fan of that. But with creamy dill pickle ranch dressing, you get 2 bags for $7. All free clear is $14.99. This one does end on the 29th. And they do have scrubbing bubbles. You get a 4-pack for $10.99. $3 off. It does end on the 29th of March. I'm not too sure if you can see that sign. And Finish Jet Dry is $8.99. Again, ends on the 29th. If you're wanting Scotch Brite Heavy Duty Sponges, $10.99. Ends on the 29th as well. Fire roasted veggies, These are $13.49. I do like these. I do like the fire roasted stuff. And $14 for the sheet pan veggies. They're both organic. And the 5-pound bag of blueberries, $12.99. I mean, it's 5 pounds. That should last. I was in the fruit and it was, I think, like, this is just cheaper. The frozen is cheaper. $12.99 on the turkey burger. Kevin, $14.99. Oh, Kevin has a chicken bowl. How many do you get? You get 4 in here. Parmesan chicken, tender chicken breast with Parmesan sauce and broccoli and zucchini. Hey, that's pretty much what I'm eating for dinner today. And then we have the spinach feta one with the sun-dried tomato, kind of like Starbucks. $16.49. Golden Irish spreadable butter. Oh, look at this one, grass-fed with olive oil and sea salt, $9.49. This one ends March 22nd. This might be, what's wrong with it? It's olive oil.
Yeah.
And $7.99 we have croutons, Mambo Italiano, sourdough bread, sea salt, garlic, basil, and Parmesan, non-GMO. And 10. These are pitted olives. You get a 12-pack. I mean, this is kind of good for snacking, but it is $10 for a 12-pack. And next to me, $14.99 Greek olive medley. And then $8.99. These are garlic and jalapeno. I haven't tried these, but I've been craving like green olives. $8.99. I actually want a green olive stuffed with cheese. What is that called? And $13.89 down here. Chickpea and spinach. No, pesto is just made out of chickpea. Did you not know that?
I never knew what a pesto was.
You don't know Jimmy Pesto?
I know what Jimmy pesto is.
7. Viola Davis. This is by James Patterson and Viola Davis. $15.99. It must be supposed to be a good book. I mean, they have it out. They never have books like this in Costco. Oh, we can't see that. Let me see if I can pan in. Harkins, you get 2 movie tickets and a $10 gift card. It is $30. I mean, a lot of people say it's a good deal, but I mean, you get the gift card. I mean, movies, even if you go during the day, they're like, what, $5.45 or something like that. That's like, I don't know. But this used to be 20 bucks. No, 18. It used to be 18 for 2 or 4, wasn't it? Oh, I can't remember, but this was cheaper, but now they're including the gift card. See, we had the toucan kite. That's 20. That is pretty cool, right? The gecko, toucan, shark.
Dragon's not as cool as it used to be.
Anything new in summer toys? $47.99. Oh. Wave Master. You get 2 in here, right? Designed for water use only. $47.99. You only get 1? I'm assuming you get 2.
No, you get,
I don't know.
It's a display stand for it, and then the charger or the
Well,
remote.
okay. I thought you get 2. It's like, that's cool. Buncho Bubbles is $25.99. Over here, this is new. The Water Blaster. These are $34.99. They have blue and red. So the Olay Every Night Moisturizer, $35.99. Ends on the 15th. It's like a little baby coyote in here. And $21.99. $17.99 on Deep Clarifying Shampoo. Removes buildup, oils, and mineral depositing. 18 bucks here. There's no deals except for the Pantry, the shampoo and conditioner. They're 10 and they both end on the 29th. This is not on sale, but it's $21.99. This might do it for this Costco, you guys. Let's see. Hydrate and Plump. Younger looking eyes in a week. $42.99. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. and I will see all of you in the next one. You get a 2-pack here for 20, which is not bad too. So like, yeah, I feel like the bulk shopping is on. I was just reading some articles about bulk shopping. Everyone's tired of paying. Hey, we're all tired of paying the high price. We're tired. We're tired of it. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.